And we have our Papa Brat. Big Papa here. We're gonna do a butterfly brat on the gas grill. It's gonna be really interesting, okay? And our players are Mr. P Bun, Pretzel Bun. I make these myself and we've got recipes, but sometimes when I'm in a hurry, this brand is great. This is pickled jalapenos and red onions, which are gonna go on the top. We have some cheddar gear. See if you can pronounce that. Cheddar gear, here we go. That's gonna go on the bottom bun, which is really weird. I have some Japanese mustard because I'm trendy, Koopy. I have some old-fashioned yellow French's mustard because I have traditional values. And I have some shredded lettuce. And what we're gonna do here with this shredded lettuce and everything, we're gonna make a fantastic, I said fantastic, bratwurst pretzel bun sandwich. I can't wait to eat it. Stick with me and watch how I do it. So we're starting with the brats, okay? And we're gonna cut the brats. Now, one thing I gotta keep telling you about, be very concerned about cross-contamination, especially with pork and chicken. We're gonna keep these buns right here, once we open this thing, far away from these until they're cooked. In fact, I'm gonna put them over here, because I'm gonna put the brats on my red tray. Here we go. Okay, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take each one of these, try and very carefully, oh, look at a sharp knife. Okay, watch this. Just quickly get this done for you. We're gonna hit them with Big Papa Smokers, hallelujah, jalapeno bacon. Okay, it's got a little maple in it too, so I've never seen a sausage that didn't like maple. Of course, I've never asked them. So we'll just do a couple of these more. We're gonna actually cook them on the gas grill. We're gonna kind of almost reverse sear a sausage, which I've never heard before. But we're gonna take these butterfly sausage and we're gonna put them on a medium heat grill and we're going to put them on the shelf and let them bake. But we're gonna put some weights on them to keep them from curling up. So now I'm gonna take the Big Papa Smokers, hallelujah bacon. Who doesn't like jalapenos? Who doesn't like bacon? Who doesn't like maple? So here we go. See, we're doing it in this open side, so some of these seasonings can get inside the sausage as it's roasting. Good. Now remember, I'm gonna be cutting some bread too. So I'm gonna keep it off this cutting board and we'll change cutting boards. So we're gonna put this in a pan and we'll see outside with this, but we're gonna prep the buns too now. We're gonna put them meat side up. And by the way, the seasonings have sweat and blended really nicely into the bratwurst. Okay, we're gonna put the brat on there. Okay, let's put some of these made in. Oh, grill presses. It's like they're made for this. Okay, we're gonna come back and check this in about 10 minutes just to make sure we're not messing up with our Thermapen 1. We want it to get to be about 145 for sure before we grill them. So let's close her up. Let's go have a cold one and talk about life. Let's take these beautiful pretzel rolls that I've started on a clean cutting board. I've washed my hands twice. Now we're gonna cut them open. Oh, this is screaming brats to me. You know what the problem is? I want to toast these things up and I just want to eat the bread. I mean, who doesn't like a pretzel bathed in butter? What we're gonna do with these, I'm just put a little butter on them and I'm gonna put them on the griddle. We've seen that enough, so I don't think I need to really show you that, but we'll bring them back. They'll be all nice and golden brown with the butter in there, and you'll be saying, oh, Papa, come cook for my family, please. And I'm gonna say, sorry, I can't, I've got a family. We've toasted these beautifully with butter, and I'm gonna show you a little trick. I learned this from Donnie Bray of Warren County Pork Choppers. This is how his grandmother used to do burgers. Before I go out and cook, I'm gonna take these hot off the griddle buns and I'm gonna put them in a baggie. So what it's gonna happen is they're gonna stay warm, but they're also gonna steam inside the baggie so they won't get all dried out while you're waiting for everything else. So hold on, I'm taking the air out of the bag. There you go. Thank you, Donnie. This is a great hack with burgers, with anything. The baggy bun caper. Okay, let's go. I think we're there. In fact, I think there might be even more. Look at all that goodness. Now what's happening is the juice is dropping down. Okay, great. That one, here we go. Okay, we don't want them curling up, so we're gonna hold them down. We're gonna pin them down like a WWE champ. All right, this is only about 3 or 4 minutes. We want to get the grill flavor on it. Okay, so we're gonna stop now. We're gonna come back in 3 minutes, pull them off, then we'll build our sandwiches. We got enough here because we're right at the temperature we want to be. Look at how these made-in grill things have just made it really nice. They haven't curled up. We got some good char on them. We don't really care. We just want something other than smoke. Sometimes it's okay to not just have smoke, okay? And we're ready to make these sandwiches. Okay, let's build these. I'm full of tricks, you know that. That's why they call me Papa. So let's take one of these nice steamed pretzel buns and let's build it up. Wait a minute. What are you doing, Papa? I'm doing something I really like. I'm protecting the bottom bun some more, and then when you bite in it, you get this nice toasty buttered pretzel. So let's, a little Kewpie mayonnaise, put some lettuce on it. I do tomatoes, but you guys know me, I'm not a tomato eater. Nice bit of cheese. Then we're gonna take this bun, we're gonna give you some mustard. You gotta have mustard with brats, and don't be shy. Okay, but before we do this, we're gonna grab a pickled jalapeno, some pickled onions, and just give it a little shot. The bitterness in the mustard is gonna be carried through with this. 1 jalapeno for good luck right there. Okay, now we got our mustard. And we have our Papa Brat. Thanks for watching. Adios.